I'm just checking in to show y'all what I'm doing with my hair. But guys, I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with my voice, okay? It's all over the place. But anyways, I've decided to make my hair smaller. As you can see, I'm going to MicroLocks. And it's because I just want a lot of volume in my hair. Now, I'll finish this whole front of the front section. So it's a little less than half left. And that's because I'm doing the front of my head, like what's going to be easier to see. So I can just sit on my bed, relax and do it. So yeah, that's what I have done already. And it looks pretty good. I am liking it so far. Not even close to finish, but yeah. And then I have this little bitty section over here. But right now I'm just doing the front part as far back as I can see. And then I don't know if I'm gonna finish it tonight or tomorrow. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and show y'all. When I get to this top section up here, I'm probably gonna record for y'all just to show y'all some of the installation process. So it won't be completely like before and after. These are a little bigger up here, but that's okay because I don't want them tiny. I want them on the bigger side of MicroLux. But under here, they're smaller. It's because I was trying to get square parts, but now I'm more worried about the size of the lock than the size of the parts. So they're gonna be some bigger ones, they're gonna be some smaller ones. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. I really just like it, like I'm not worried about it. But if it becomes a problem where it's like too obvious of a difference or more unraveling on the smaller ones, I can always just go back in and make them bigger. But yeah, I'm gonna go on work on my hair some more, and I'll be back this year show y'all some more progress. Alright, so I have finished the whole left side, and that's what it's looking like so far. It looks okay, but I feel like it'll look a lot better after I wash my hair, because then the ends will coil up really cute. Because right now they're like not straight, but like weird. So yeah, let's take this bun out, give a better look. It's gonna be crinkled a little bit, look wild. But yeah, this is how big it is right now. I feel like it's gonna get bigger, especially after they get wet and shrink up, because the twists will thicken up. But I didn't put any product on my hair, so it's pretty much stretched. I don't know how do you pronounce that word. Let me see what I look like. I kind of like it, but I'm just happy to see, get all these bumps and dents out from the ponytail. But yeah, I'm just about to section this side off, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the process. Now this is how much I finished to this side. The whole bottom section. I just have the top back section to finish. I hope I was in frame. But I saved this one right here in the front so I can just show y'all the process of me twisting my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that right now. And so what I do is look at the part, make sure it's crispy. And I know my scalp is a little flaky, but that's because it gets dry very fast. So I need to wash it. Just fix up the part if it's needed. And then after the part looks good, I'll just go and take it out. And I'll decide how many I want. This one looks like it could be about 4 or 3. I want these two to be the same size. So yeah, I'm just gonna split this in half. think I did this one into 2. I might just do it like that then. Yeah, this one is bigger, but it's really noticeable a little bit. It's okay. It'll be fine. Honestly, I'm just ready to be done. I don't know how people spend days on their hair. Like, I've been doing this since last night and I'm already tired of it. So, look at me. The number I was going for was around 250 to 255. I really wanted microlocks on the bigger side. But, as you can see, I have a lot of hair on my head and it didn't really work out. You know what I'm saying? I should have thought about the party more. But yeah, it's okay because I'll just deal with this. If it's some in here that I think are too small, I'll just combine them. I'm sorry that I'm crusty. Hey. Anyways, let's work on this last section so I can finally be done. I'm gonna come back when I finish, well, when I get to the top of this section, because if I do this whole section on camera, this video is gonna be like 2 hours long and we cannot have that. So I'll be back. All right, I just finished the majority of this back, the back of the top section, but I forgot that I said I was gonna come back and show y'all. So I have 3 left and I'm just about to do that on camera so you can watch. Alright, I know I look a little crazy, but I'm done. And here's the reveal. It's pretty big, like it's huge. Like, this is how big my hair is. I'll give you guys a little overview, but you're not really gonna be able to see my parts because I don't twist tight and I didn't use no product, so my hair couldn't just like curl on itself. So yeah, I hope y'all can see. It is May the 23rd, 2020, and this is my official lock day. Is that the name for it? That's what we're gonna call it, okay? Me and my little baby dreads. My microlocks. Alright, so I have finished interlocking my hair. This is what it's looking like. This is how it's sitting. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm so happy that I did this. It's gorgeous. I love it. But yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all an overview. And I do need to wash, so yeah. And I'm glad my hair is as thick as it is because you can't really see my scalp. But it just means yeah, that's all I have for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Links to my social medias will be in the description. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss any updates on the hair. And what I was about to say, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.